Stop! Do not miss your NISM exam. You can change your exam date in just 2 minutes. Yes, it is that easy. Watch this video till the end. I will show you the exact steps. No confusion, no mistakes. Follow these simple steps to change your NISM exam date easily. First, go to the official NISM website. You will find the link in the description box. Just click on it and open the site. Now, enter your registered email ID password and then click on the Login button. Once you log in, your dashboard will open. Navigate to the My Enrollments section. Find your booked exam. Select the option Reschedule exam. Then, you will see available dates and time slots. Choose a new exam date and time. Confirm Reschedule request. After that, you will receive an updated exam confirmation with the new exam date and time. Important tip: you can reschedule your NISM exam date only up to 4 working days before the exam. If you miss this deadline, you lose your attempt and your fees will not be refunded. So, make sure you plan accordingly and don't wait till the last moment. Now you have extra time. Do not waste it. Use it smartly. If you want to clear your NISM exam on the first attempt, go to www.nismexams.in right now. You will get everything in one place. Latest exam-level mock tests, short and quick revision notes, easy to understand video lectures, step-by-step guidance for the exam. Website link is given in the description box. Go now and start your preparation today.